Welcome to the pre-installation guide for Scanomat under-counter machines. Every cabinet with an under-counter machine from Scanomat must be prepared with electrical installations to power the machines and add-ons. Depending on which machine configuration the customer has chosen, there are different electrical specification requirements. Please be advised of the correct specifications in the Scanomat pre-installation electricity guide. The electrical installation must be placed correctly to fit our technician's later installment of the Scanomat under-counter machine. Here you see what the final installation looks like. The required electrical outlets shall be placed according to the measurements in our guide and mounted safely in the cabinet. Mount the electrical outlets in the top right corner inside the cabinet, not exceeding an area of 140 times 225 millimeters. Wires to the outlets shall be shortened, run along the cabinet side and back wall, and fastened. This electricity installation will accommodate a Top Brewer Pro or Top Brewer Compact in European countries. The safety switch is mounted on top, with the circuit breaker facing down and the two double sockets below. Here is the electricity installation for UK machine installations shown. And here are the electricity installations for US machine installations. With the correct electrical installation ready, our technicians can install the Scanomat under-counter machine.